Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change iPhone keyboard and set a custom keyboard on your iPhone Air. So I'm provide full guide. You just easily add any language keyboard, change, customize, and provide full guide. So you just easily change your keyboard. Just press on this option. Now successfully change keyboard. Okay. At first need to set up this. So open your settings, scroll down, press on general option, scroll down. As you can see, showing it to keyboard option, press on, and if you want to add any keyboard, just press on to add new keyboard. Okay, showing it to all keyboard list. Or if you want to find, go to search option, search it to, okay, like select, press on right mark. Now successfully add this language. Or if you want to remove any keyboard, swipe right to left side or press on edit option. I'm just remove this, press on to delete. Now it's remove. If you want to change, open keyboard and press on this icon. So that's it.